Wang Gum Toli Jelly, and scoop. Today we're going to drop King Gum Tuli Jelly onto a hot kukja. It slowly starts, Nok Ki Shijak. And it looks kind of like a mummy, doesn't it? Ha ha! The original mo soup of the King Gum Tuli Jelly is gone, and now it looks like Shikumun Ganga Jitong. Candle and scoop. Today we're going to drop a candle onto a hot kukja. As soon as it falls, the chotnong melts right away and starts dancing. It slowly boils up, boogle boogle. Actually, chotnong is a substance with seongbun similar to oil. That's why it burns like crazy. Isn't this really Shin Gihajo? See you next time! Squishy toy and scoop. Today we're going to put a maolangi on a hot kukja. As soon as the kukja a dat jamaja, flames start to rise. It moves wat dari gat dari, burning the fuel, and the goche turns into aikshe. The aikshe keeps burning as fuel too, and in the end, it turns into giche. Let's keep watching. What should we burn next? Gu Yonsan, Bei King Soda, Shikcho, and scoop. What happens if we pour shikcho onto Guyon-san and Bei King Soda? It becomes like this. San and yongi meat, Isan wa tanso is made. The way bread bupula rises is the same hyun-sang. Also, the way balpo bitamin melts, bogla bogli is the same hyun-sang. Or, when we meet someone we love, our hearts become just like this. Seiwu Jut and scoop. Today we dropped Seiwu Jut onto a hot kukja. Wow, the gukmalol from the Seiwu Jut starts burning and wraps around the Seiwu. It wraps around it jom jom kyuje and soon covers the Seiwu. And the gipo ga jom jom to jimyo gets smaller. Soon all the subun zunbal and it burns shiku mutke. Who wants to try eating it?